Good afternoon, everybody. It's Miss Morgan from the Williston Community Library, bringing you today's STEAM activity. So today we are going to go ahead and we are going to build some candy catapults. If you picked up a kit from us, it includes some popsicle sticks, a spoon, some rubber bands, and a candy. So what you're going to do is, and I've already built one here, but I don't think my candy will go very far. So what you're going to do is you are going to take your popsicle sticks and you're going to decide how you want your catapult to be built. I've seen some where they're built standing up, some that are built like mine where it's laying down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build one like this, except a little bit better. So I'm just going to take some of my popsicle sticks and I am going to take a rubber band and rubber band them together here. So I just took a pile of them, that way it was tall enough, because I think my problem with the other one is it's not very tall, so it doesn't go very far. And then what I'm going to do is, now that I have these rubber band together, I'm going to actually stick popsicle stick in between there like this. And then I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to keep this one on top. And I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to take my spoon and put my spoon on top there just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rubber band the two popsicle sticks and my spoon together. Oops. And I think my candy will go a little further with it like this. And then I'm going to rubber band my spoon to just the top popsicle stick here. So this is how I have decided to build my catapult. So now what I will do is I will take it and I will put my candy on there, and I'm leaving my candy wrapped. And I will see how far it'll shoot. So there is how you build a catapult. Like I said, you can choose whether you want it to be standing up. I tried that. I'm not good at it. But if you can figure out how to do it, you are more than welcome to. The STEAM activity doesn't take long. And if you have more popsicle sticks, the more you want to try, you can try different heights. This one, it just kind of shot straight up and then right back down. As you could tell, this one shot a little further out. But yeah, so you can try different ways to build it. And the cool thing about this is, since it's rubber band together, you can take them apart and rebuild them if you would like. So like, I think if I add some more, my candy would go flying even further. All right, so now that I've showed you how to build a catapult, and if you're not done with yours, don't worry. We are going to go ahead and we are going to read a book called 3, 2, 1, Go. Sorry guys, I was just trying to zoom in there. 3, 2, 1, Go. And this is by Emily Arnold Macaulay. "Let's play school," said Anne. "I'll be the teacher." "Okay," said Bess. So there's Anne and Bess. "Oh no, here comes Min," said Anne. "This is a school zone, Min. School is hard. You are not ready." "Here is the line," said Anne. "You may not step over it." "Okay, she is gone." Now spell smart. Min rolled a rock. Then she got a board. What is Min doing? Said Bess. Don't mind her, said Anne. Now count to 100. Min got a tube and some rope. So far she has a rock, a board, a tube, and some rope. The board went on the rock. The tube got a top. The tube went on the board. Min took the rope up the tree. She got another rock. So far she has 2 rocks, a board, a tube with a top on it, and the rope. She tied a rope to it. She pulled, and look, it looks like she's going to be building something like a catapult. Min got in. She put on her helmet. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And she let the rope go, which made her go up in the air. Here comes Min, said Bess. Hi, said Min. I didn't step over the line. I flew over it. Let's play rocket scientist, said Bess. So she built a catapult using rocks and a board and a tube. So there are many different ways that you can build things like catapults. All right, everybody, so that is going to end today's STEAM activity. Like I said, today's didn't take very long, but if you want to keep rebuilding them or try something else, you are more than welcome to do that. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time.